And Zen has a freedom. Zen master can marry, they can do profession, they can possess property like Osho Sannyasi. So Zen is there is a lot of similarity between Zen and Osho teachings. I have read also books on Zen, and also I have attended hundreds of discourses when Osho was talking on Sufism. Osho said that these are the best tradition in the world because it is a fusion between two cultures. What my understanding is that Osho teaching is a fusion between Sufism and Zen. It's my conclusion. When I've read both Zen and Sufism, my limited understanding I have, so you should not take it as authority statement. But my understanding is that Osho tradition has both. It has dance like Sufi. We pray to our Guru, we respect to our Guru like Sufi. We are mastat when we dance, when we celebrate. And also there is a meditation like Zen. Zen has very simple meditation, Zazen, sitting silently, doing nothing, not even Vipassana. Buddhism has Vipassana in which you have to be breath awareness. You have to Anapanasati Yoga or Vipassana. You have to mindfully breathe. Zen gives more freedom, not even meditation on breath, just sitting silently. Sitting silently, doing nothing. A spring comes and grass is grown by itself. No? This is a very important statement of Zen master, sitting silently, doing nothing. Doing nothing. No? So that's why Bhagavan said it is the highest religion, like Ashtavakra. No? Even in Hinduism, there are traditions in which you cannot do idol worship. Murti puja अलाउड नहीं है. हिंदुओं में वेदांती, नागा संप्रदाय, हिंदुओं में बहुत संप्रदाय है, तो बहुत संप्रदाय में मूर्ति पूजा एकदम निषिद्ध है. आप मूर्ति पूजा नहीं कर सकते. You might have read the story of Ramakrishna and Naga Baba. क्या नाम थे वहाँ को? हाँ, तोतापुरी बाबा, the guru of Ramakrishna. He was from Naga Sampradaya, Tata Totapuri. So he was teaching pure Vedanta to Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna was devotee. He was bhakta. So whenever there is arti in the temple, Ramakrishna could not resist himself. He used to start dancing. ताली बजा के नाचने लग जाते थे. तो नागा तोतापुरी बहुत नाराज होते थे क्योंकि वेदांती थे, तो उनको तो भक्ति नहीं. तो कहते थे क्या रोटी बनाने लगे तो रोटी बनाने से कि भगवान मिलेगा. So every culture has its own, every religion culture has its own tradition. Bhagavan has taught us to respect all tradition, all religion.